Hey diamonds, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. So glad to have you. Today we are going to do a really simple Valentine's Day look, really quick, definitely beginner friendly. So don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Let's go ahead and get started. As usual, diamonds, I did do my eyebrows off camera. If you do have any questions or you'd like a tutorial on it, I have actually already done one. I will leave the link to the video in the description box so that you can watch that after this. I did go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. I placed that on my eyelid and then I used my finger to warm it up and blend it out. Now I'm going to grab my Naked Heat palette and I'm going to use a combination of Soft and Low Blow. Now I'm going in with my Ben Nye single eyeshadow in Bahama Blue. I haven't used this in years. It is so gorgeous. Then I'm going to go in with my glitter injections. The glitter name is Pastel Rain. What I love about glitter injections, you don't need a glitter primer. The glitter doesn't stray. It's not a lot of fallout. It stays in place. Ladies, I would highly recommend that if you like glitter. For my liner, I'm going to use my trusty Stila smudge pot. I'm going to grab one of my paint brushes to go ahead and keep my lines really crisp with for this look. Then I'm going to grab my Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in 360. The shade is Mocha. I'm then going to spray my It Cosmetics foundation brush down with my Mario Badescu Rose Water, and now I'm blending that out. Making sure you get your ears, your jawline. You don't want to look like you're having a mask on. You want to blend, blend, blend. Then I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Deep. I'm going to highlight my under eye, forehead, nose, chin. I did, before I sat down, dampened my beauty blender, and that was just sitting on the desk waiting for me to use it. And now I'm blending my under eye concealer out with it. Never try to use it dry. It doesn't work well at all. You always want to make sure you use your beauty blender wet. Now I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Mahogany, and I'm going to use that for my contour shade. Grabbing my beauty blender again and blending that out. And just to diffuse it a little bit more, I grabbed a BS brush just to buff it in a little bit more. I believe I got this one off of Amazon. Now I'm going to go in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. And I'm going to set all of my highlighted areas. I didn't let it bake for too long. I wasn't really going anywhere special. But I do recommend, if you have oily skin, let it sit just a little bit longer so that your those areas don't crease or get super oily quick. But I grabbed a face brush and now I'm just blending that out, getting that extra powder off of my face. Now I'm going to go in with a waterproof eyeliner and line my bottom lash. And I am using a sponge to kind of pull down my lower eyelid just ever so gently so I can, you know, assess it more easily and then smudge it out. You want to be really gentle with your under eye. Now I'm going in with my blush. It is Max Raisin, one of my all-time faves. And then I'm going to go in with my highlight, which is from the Mariah Carey. I just use her body shimmer as my highlight. Super cute. I have got some other highlighters. I can't wait to try them out. I haven't unboxed them yet. It's the Jackie Aina one, and then I got like a mousse consistency by Clean Slate Cosmetics. So super excited to get to try those in some upcoming videos. Couldn't decide what kind of lip I wanted to do, and then I remembered Tarae P. Henson. I just went to go see Proud Mary twice. I actually seen it within 2 weeks and I love it, so I decided to use my Viva Glam by Tarae P. Henson. Super cute. And I used my magenta MAC lip liner as well. I threw on falsies off camera. These are just some regular Walmart ones. I can't even remember the brand. I threw it away. And then I'm using my It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara to blend them together. And there is the finished look, guys. Diamonds, that completes my look for Valentine's Day 2018. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on your way out. Until next time.